Okay, so it's our final video on cumulative frequency, and this video we're looking at interpreting cumulative frequency graphs. So we've got example one, and then you can try one yourself at the end. Okay, and that's going to be it for cumulative frequency. Let's get into it. So we've got a cumulative frequency graph here, and it says the cumulative frequency diagram shows the distribution of speeds for 60 cars on a road. Okay, we can see that also over here. So cumulative frequency is your running total, but also in total there are 60 cars. The first part is saying how many cars were going less than 30 kilometers per hour. So what we need to do here is we need to go and draw a line at 30. Okay, and we've got to see how many people that is going to be. So 30 kilometers per hour, this bit here, is here on my graph. We go and draw a line going upwards to our curve, and then we've got to go and read across over to here. Okay, and that's not very accurate. It should be bang on there. There we go. Okay, so this reading here, going up in increments of 2, 2, 4, 6, that there is going to have a value of 8. So how many cars were going less than 30 kilometers an hour? Well, less than 30 is kind of going to be, everything down of 8, isn't it? So 8 people, okay, is your answer. So answer here is going to be 8. And that is your answer on the first part. Let's go and highlight that, make it nice and clear. Good. Okay. Part B, the speed limit on a road is 85 kilometers per hour. How many cars exceeded the speed limit? So similarly again, let's go and draw in a line, this time in green. I'm looking at exceeding 85 kilometers per hour. Well, that's going to be 82, 84. It's halfway between that square, so somewhere there. That looks pretty good. All the way up there. And then we can go and read across. Okay, and it's going to be... Whoa. Yeah. Okay, that looks okay. Right, a bit tricky to read, but we can go with it. So... Right, what value is that there? First of all, we're going to put increments. So 2, 52, 54. I'm just going to say it's 56. I think it should be 56. Okay. So how many cars exceeded the speed limit? Well, we're looking at all of the cars that are from 56 up into 60. So that's 4 cars, isn't it? So 56 to 60, 4 cars must have exceeded that speed limit. So in here, we can go and write in, let's keep it, our answer in red. So 4 cars exceeded that speed limit. Okay, good. And then here I've got an exam question, so you can pause the video, give this one a go yourself, and then I will go through this now. Okay, or you can kind of watch me go through it. But a good question, right? What is the question saying? The cumulative frequency graph shows information about the times of 80 swimmers to swim 50 meters. So right, so let's check that. We've got 80 swimmers here, which is good. We can see it right, a total good of 80 swimmers. Use the graph to find an estimate for the median time. So on the previous video, we looked at finding the median. So that should be nice and straightforward. So median is your middle value. So if you've got 80 people in total, what's the middle of 80? It's going to be your 40th person. So we go along from 40, and we go across, and we go down, and we go all the way down, hopefully trying to make it as accurate as possible. Okay, which, have I messed that up? Quite hard to tell, isn't it? Let's do it again. It should be bang on. It's quite tricky to get it bang on a computer screen. Oh, almost had it. Sorry. Right, from there down to there. That looks pretty good. Okay, and what are the increments here? Increments of 2, I believe. Yeah, so it's going to be 62, 64, 66, 68, I think. 68. Yeah, 68. Let's go with that. 68. Okay. So the estimate for the median time is going to be 68, and what's the unit that we're looking at here? They'll give it to you in the exam, but seconds, isn't it? So 68 seconds is your answer. Okay, but the important bit really there is the number. So 68 is your answer. Okay, a swimmer has to swim 50 meters in 60 seconds, okay, or less to qualify for the swimming team. And the team captain says more than 25% of swimmers have qualified. Sorry, I turned my phone off. Right, more than 25% of swimmers have qualified for the swimming team. Is the team captain right? So 50 meters in 60 seconds. So we're looking at that time there, 60 seconds. Let's go and draw a line from 60 seconds. Let's make it in green. Okay, so we're going from here. That's your time, 60. All the way up to here, and then across, which is going to be over here. Right, so you've got to swim quicker. Someone has to swim 50 meters in 60 seconds or less to qualify for that swimming team. Okay, right, so you've got to go quicker than 60 seconds. So we're looking at everything down here. Right, so all of these people here. So we just got to go and find what person that is there. And these are increments of 1, I believe. So that's going to be, if that's 30, 29, 28. I think it's the 27th person. It's hard to see on the screen, but I think it is the 27th person. Right, so I'm now going to go and find 27, okay, out of the total and compare that with the 25%, I believe. So let's do that. So we've got 27 people, okay, went less than 60 seconds. So 27 out of the total, which is 80, right, that is definitely less than 25%, but that's right as a percentage. Let's times that through by 100, and that is equal to 27 over 80 times 100 is 33.75%. So more than 25% of swimmers have qualified for a swimming team, or yes, that statement there is definitely going to be true. So that it's true, or yes, because 33.75% is greater than 25%. So Tom is true. Is it Tom in a statement? Yeah. Oh, sorry, the team captain is true. Okay, because 33.75% is bigger than 25%. And that there is our answer. Okay? So it's quite hard to read actually with that highlighter. Okay, but he's true. Okay, that is it for cumulative frequency. Thank you, and hopefully that was useful. Okay, thank you.